Today was a day. Today, what is today? June 5th in my world. In your world, it could be any day. I don't know what day it is over there. But on my day, June 5th, today's the day that I did it. I did it. I did it. And what am I talking about? Well, it's about this beard, and it's about this. I'm Eric Bandholz with Beardbrand, and I want to tell you what's going on with my beard, and maybe give you a thing or two that you can learn about. What was I pointing to? The ground? Nope. Whew, had this here. Ooh, yeah. Focus in there. Oh, yeah. You like that? Round brush, baby. Today was the day that I pulled this little beauty out. Little beauty. All right, so here's the thing. The round brush. The round brush is a beautiful tool. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. But it's something kind of for advanced beard growers. I think the newbies out there, or anyone with a really short beard, this is nice. Like, it's a versatile brush, but it's not going to be giving you the full power you can have. Now, I'm not going to do a tutorial for you because I've done that video, and you can view it here, or maybe here. Mirrors, I don't know how to work them. I don't know how to point to things. So anyways, the round brush technique, you grab your blow dryer, you essentially twirl like this, and you're blowing it under. So your beard gets this nice shape. And the problem I was dealing with is that thing I talked about where the beard hairs come under and out, and then back and forward. And you got this kind of like, it is like you've been wearing a mask all day where it kind of pushes it like that. So with the round brush technique, you're going to really be able to solve that, and I feel pretty good. So here's the issue. Up to that point in the past few days, I've just been like, I don't want my beard, I don't like my beard, I'm not happy with my beard, I want to shave my beard, I want to go back to the beard stash, I want to do this or that. And finally investing a little bit in my grooming routine, stepping it up a notch. I'm like, oh yeah, my beard looks pretty good. I have this length, it's well tamed, it still has some waves. Let's check it out. Still got some waves, still got some character to it, like this little bit here. What's it doing? Beards do what beards do, but I'll bet you what happens in another day or two, it's going to look a little bit different. Now that I'm like using the round brush, this has been like half a year since I've last used a round brush. So be easy on me, guys. Be easy. Even the pros make mistakes too, man. All right, but this video isn't so much about the round brush. This video is about my friend Sean Binney, all right? Who is this Sean Binney? If you remember, I talked about Sean Binney in my video, don't make these mistakes when growing a beard, and I just had a mustache back then. Do y'all remember that? Probably not, but it's another video you can go watch if you want to. So anyways, I was talking about Sean Binney because he is my friend that in like 2 hours has the 5 o'clock shadow. His beard just goes crazy. In fact, I was texting him today. I was like, hey, Sean, man, remember I talked about you in this video? And he's like, oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for plugging me in. And he's like, I've been growing my beard out. I'm like, that's great, Sean. That's great. You've never really grown your beard out before, even though you can. So he shows me the picture. Sean, I didn't ask for your permission, but all these thousands of guys are going to just like, look at that beard. Look at that beard. Look at that beard. Sean Binney, you have like genetically gifted facial hair follicles. And I'm like, dude, man, Sean, I looked up our orders. Like, you're my good friend since high school. Since high school, man, we went to college together. I looked in the orders at Beardbrand. Didn't find a Sean Binney. No order from Sean Binney. What's going on here? And then we get talking, and he's like, oh, Eric, I promise I grow up to July 4th, but it's itchy. Like I'm breaking out on my skin. You know, all the people around me, they're telling me that they don't like it. They don't like the way that it looks. And these are the problems that I'm talking about when you grow your beard. So, of course, if you're not using products, your beard's going to be dry, it's going to be scratchy, it's going to be itchy. It's not going to be as pleasurable as if you use products, like a Beardbrand beard oil or utility balm. It's not going to be as presentable to other individuals when you just let it go wild. Like you just woo, woo, woo. Of course people are going to be like, yeah, man, like your beard looks crazy. I prefer the other Benny. Because you're not investing in yourself. You're not investing in your grooming routine. You're not stepping up your game. You're not showing the world that you care about yourself. That's what the mistake is, man. Like, you can't just grow a beard, have it do its own thing, and expect the world to be okay with it. Now, if you're your own person and that's your cup of tea and that's the image you want and you're content with that, dude, I love that. I don't want to change that. I'm not trying to change that. But I think most of the guys, you know, like, they want to make their friends happy. They want to make the girls happy. They want to make their parents happy. They want to make their family, their kids happy. So they do take into consideration what other people's opinions are. But again, you're half-assing it. Like, you're not giving it an honest college try if you're just going to let it go and neglect the skin underneath the beard, neglect the beard hairs, and really neglect the grooming routine. So Sean Binney, I know you're watching this, and I know there's a lot of guys out there like Sean Binney who grow incredible beards, but they choose not to because it's too overwhelming. And I'm here to tell you, Beardbrand has your back, man. We created over 1,200 videos. We've gotten something on everything. And if you invest, I'm not talking about a lot of time, a couple of minutes, like this whole round brush technique on my beard, you know how long that takes? It literally takes about an additional 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes in my morning routine. And that 3 minutes gives me 12 hours of confidence, of feeling good, of feeling like I can take on the day, and really like loving the guy who's looking back at me in the mirror, which is like the big thing we're about. Like, I'm excited about having a beard this length because I pulled out that round brush and I elevated my grooming routine and I start to feel good about my beard again. That's what we're talking about here on Beardbrand Alliance. If you're not Sean Binney, or if you're not like Sean Binney, I'm sure you got friends who are like Sean Binney. And I want you to be that beacon of light for them, to let them know they can invest in themselves and show them the way to improving their routine, helping, you know, find products that work for them. A lot of you guys buy multiple products from us and you like one, you don't like the other one. Well, think about gifting one of those products to one of your buddies who has always been on the fence about growing a beard, who can grow a great beard, but really isn't like bought into the aspects of it. Help them know that like these are tools. These are tools that help them make them look good, feel good. They're not, you know, they're not going to emasculate you. There's a lot of guys out there who still think that way. And you can be that inspiration. You can be that beacon. You can be that pillar of person. And not only that, and not just grooming, you can be that pillar for many things in life. You can be that beacon for, you know, calmness, for vision, for financial responsibility, for good relationships, for being a good father or a good brother or a good son. You can do all that. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for growing. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you guys are doing well in the quarantine world. Staying safe out there. Cheers. Keep on growing. Hey, I'm glad you've been watching these Alliance videos. Woo, good job. Hey, do yourself a favor. Treat yourself to a little treat and come join us. Join us at the Alliance. We would love to have you. See you soon.